Mariing itinanggi ni na Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla at National Security Advisor Eduardo Año na nagkaroon ng sabwatan sa pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Sa pagdinig ng Senate Committee on Foreign Relations, idiniin ni Remulla na walang anumang pag-uusap sa pag-aresto bago ang March 11 ng madaling araw. Sinabi naman ni Año na walang grand conspiracy at walang core group na nagplano sa pag-aresto sa dating Pangulo at biglaan ang lahat ng nangyari noong March 11.
My role was limited to the mandate of my office to assess that the situation does not escalate into a national security concern. The implementation of the ICC warrant is beyond my mandate and I have no part in it. And may I also state for the record that I am not aware of any core group, nor am I a member of such group that allegedly planned and prepared for the arrest of former President Duterte.